Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use bookings for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 3, cancel a booking. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this company works with a business. So we can start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on all applications. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, explore all your applications. Go to the first application, bookings. And now click on the calendars, which we have already created. And now let's go to the previous booking, which was on the 11th of August 2022. Click on IT support from 12 to 1, and we will look to cancel this booking, bearing in mind it's already happened. But for the concept of this video, let's say you have a brand new booking and hours before or days before you wish to cancel or reschedule. Canceling would be a very good thing. So let's click on cancel. We can add a message for the customers. Let's just say this booking or this meeting is over. Or let's just say this meeting has been cancelled. Send cancellation. And we can now see that the meeting has been erased from the calendar. And so that's how you cancel a booking that was created on the application bookings for Microsoft Office 365. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.